Drifting above the earth, the lost coin glimmers like a beacon of mystery.
This street, mosque, synagogue, Hindu temple, church, same block. We're indigenous, African, Indian, Javanese, Chinese, Dutch, Lebanese, every religion, every ethnicity, 600,000 people. We should be divided, but we're not.
Glowing coin drifts over South America, searching for a place where many become one. It finds Suriname, smallest nation on the continent, yet the most diverse on earth. Peoples from every corner, indigenous, African, Indian.
1 Corinthians 12:12. Just as a body is one and has many members, and all the members of the body, though many, are one body, so it is with Christ.
Just as a body is one and has many members, and all the members of that one body, being many, are one body,
so also is Christ.
Make every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit through the bond of peace. Unity is possible.
Suriname's dazzling tapestry, we choose to be one. From Paramaribo's streets to rainforest villages, from churches, mosques, temples, and synagogues, the most diverse nation per capita is proving that unity is possible when we work for it.
Look at me. Do you believe unity is possible? Here in Suriname, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jewish, same street. And the word says 1 Corinthians 12, many members, one body. Unity is possible. Day 169 of 195. Tomorrow, Sweden. Look.
Different voices, same choices. Jesus, unity rejoices. One in Christ is, one in Christ is. On the street in Paramaribo, you can see something rare. A mosque and a synagogue, a temple and a church share the same block in Suriname, most diverse nation on earth. Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jewish, you and me show in this world. 1 Corinthians 12 says, body is one with many parts. All its many parts form one body. That's where unity starts. Suriname proves it's possible when the world says it's not. 600,000 people, every ethnicity, they've got many parts, many hearts. Unity starts one heart. Many members, one body. Many members, one body. 1 Corinthians 12:12. Diversity and unity. Everybody, 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 everybody. Ephesians 4:3. Make effort to keep unity. Galatians 3:28. All on one in Christ you'll see. Psalm 33. One good and pleasant when we dwell. So remains impossible. Unity has a story to tell. Many members, one body. Many members, one body. Different parts, but one hope. That's the key. John 17:23. Jesus prayed that we be one. Romans 12:4-5. One body, though many, God's Son. Colossians 3:11. Christ is all and in all here. 1 Peter 3:8. Like-minded love without fear. Indigenous and African, Indian and Javanese, Chinese and Dutch together live in unity with these. Eid and Diwali, Christmas and Hanukkah they celebrate. When the world divides, Suriname demonstrates. Work for peace, don't cease. Don't cease, unity's release. Love's increase. Many members, one body. Many members, one body. 1 Corinthians 12:12. Diversity and unity. Everybody, 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 everybody. Ephesians 4. Ephesians 4:3, make a fort to keep unity, doesn't happen by accident, work intentionally. Galatians 3:28, neither Jew nor Gentile are one in Christ Jesus. That's essential. Psalm 1:3, one good and pleasant dwelling. Unity is God's design, it's our opportunity.
Mosque and church, many members, one body.
Same block search,
many members, one body.
temple purge,
many members, one body.
synagogue birth,
many members, one body.
different yes,
many members, one body.
no regret,
many members, one body.
God's doing. I used to think that unity meant everyone's the same, that we'd all have to look and think alike to play the game. But then I saw Suriname, where difference doesn't divide, where unity means many members standing side by side. Now I'm working for unity in my church and family, because if Suriname can do it, so can we, you see. Many members, one body, many members, one body. 1 Corinthians 12:12, diversity and unity. Everybody, Ephesians 4:3, make a fort to keep unity. Galatians 3:28, all are one in Christ, you'll see. Psalm 33, one good and pleasant when we dwell. Suriname's impossible, unity has a story to tell. Many members, one body, many members, one body, different parts but one whole. That's the key, yeah. Should divide,
many members, one body.
choose one side,
many members, one body.
unity's God,
many members, one body.
Christ's bride,
many members, one body.
different ways,
many members, one body.
unity stay,
many members, one body.
give God praise,
many members, one body.
all our day.
many members, one body.
Suriname, where diversity lives on every street, to every divided place where conflict seems complete. Remember that unity is possible when we make the choice to let our many differences become one unified voice. Christ is all in all, that's our foundation strong. Many members, one body, where we hibernate. Many members,
One body,
different plot.
one body.
Better hold diversity with unity, one in plot story.